My name is Renata. I'm from Brazil and I'm studying with APC, Diploma of Paramedic Science. I am a registered nurse and I work on emergency in UK for quite a while. One of my kids said to me, "Mum, was you not working in a hospital? Are you wasting your kindness and your knowledge?" It is challenging, is studying and looking after your family and work at the same time. But with the college, we can just discipline ourselves and find the right time to do your study a little bit every day. I do have a cooperation from my family. One cooks, another one put the clothes in the clothesline. And when we do homework all together. My opinion, if you want to be a paramedic, start with Australian Paramedic College.